Hey, our friend Sarah draw Pineapple Pirate.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end.
I really like this one, especially the pirate map.
Yeah, and our friends could add even more details to this drawing. We're using our pencil first to draw the oval for our pineapple. Then we use our markers to add the detail and color.
Or you can use whatever you have, like crayons or colored pencils.
Let's start by drawing the main shape of our pineapple. We can start by drawing an upside down letter U. I'm going to go up, over, and down. And the nice thing about using a pencil first is we can really work on this shape and get it just the way we want it before we... See, I have an extra line, and then I can, I can go in. That one doesn't have an eraser. That's why I got this guy. And then you can erase any of the extra lines you don't want to keep. Then we're going to draw the bottom of our pineapple coming down, around, and then back up. It looks like a potato.
Same thing with mine.
Yeah, it looks awesome. Look at it, just like that. It looks really good. But our friends, if you guys want, you can pause the video and take extra time to get it just right. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it skinny or maybe short and wide.
Yeah.
All right, now let's switch to our marker and we're going to add the details. That's all we need our pencil for. All right, let's start by drawing our map over here. And the nice thing about with the pencil is that we can overlap the map in front of our pirate. There's the top of our map. Then we're going to draw, right here, we're going to draw an upside down U that connects to that line. Then we're going to come down and draw, it's kind of a backwards J, maybe, or a backwards S.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a backwards S?
Yes, that's a backwards S.
Yeah, backwards S. Then down here, we're going to draw the same line. We want to measure that with our eyes and move it down here. And we're going to draw that same line right there, same length. And then let's draw a line here. And then when we get to the edge, we're going to curve up. Then on this side, we're going to draw the map coming down like we're going to connect, but let's add a little tear in it. So you can draw a sideways letter V.
So it looks beat up.
Yeah, and then we're going to connect in further. Yeah, just like that. Then right here we can connect in too. Now let's also draw our hand, our pineapple's hanging onto the map with. Now let's switch to our eraser, and we're going to erase the line for the pineapple that's going through the treasure map. Then we can switch back to our marker. Let's trace over the pencil line. We go all the way around to the bottom of the map. Oh, I'm going to actually pick up and start over here and then connect up. Now let's draw our pineapple's face. I'm going to draw a really happy pirate. Then right here, we're going to draw it coming down and up. And then we can also draw a tongue and maybe some teeth too. Let's color in the center shape. Then we can draw one eye on the left. And we're going to draw another eye over here yet. We're going to draw a patch. We're going to draw a smaller circle inside and then color in the big circle. And if we ever go too fast or we fast forward the video, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for more time. Oh, I like how big your eye is. That's awesome. Okay, now for the patch. We want it to be the same place as the other eye. So let's draw a letter U where the other eye would be. Yours will be a lot bigger than mine. And then on the top, I'm going to draw kind of curving around. Then we can also color that shape in. Now let's draw the strap holding the patch onto our pirate's head. We could draw going right through the patch, and then we can make that thicker too by drawing another line right next to it to match. And then let's color that shape in too. Now let's draw our pineapple's hair, or the leaves coming out of the top. We're going to draw one curve coming out to the side, and then we'll come back down. We got a nice point at the end, and then we can draw also another curve coming out to the left and draw that coming down too. And I'm going to draw a smaller one sticking out to the side, and let's draw two sticking out on this side. So we'll draw it coming out and down. And then one more smaller one right next to it. Oh, let's add another one in between. Yeah, now it looks like a pineapple.
Yeah.
But let's make it look more like a pirate. We're gonna draw one arm sticking out to the side, and let's put a hook on this one. So we'll draw a line across, then we'll draw an upside down letter U. We're gonna draw, it'll look like a question mark. I'm gonna draw an S curve.
Now it looks like a real pirate.
Yeah, then we'll start at the end, come around, and then back into that letter U, upside down U. Now our hook is thicker. Okay, now let's draw the legs. And over here, let's draw one leg. I'm gonna draw two lines, but the inside line is shorter. Or sorry, the inside line is longer than the outside line. Then we can curve around for the foot and connect. And then we need a peg leg on this side, right?
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna draw letter U. And then we can draw a really skinny letter V. All right, Austin, we did it. We finished drawing our pineapple pirate. Except we still need to
Color him.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring, but you could color it different. Oh, and also be sure to add the treasure map, the details.
Oh yeah, like an X.
Yeah, an X and maybe a palm tree. All right, before we color though, let's switch to our eraser and erase the pencil lines you can still see. Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our pineapple pirate.
Yeah, this one was super fun.
Yeah, I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings too. You can pause the video to match our same coloring. First we used an orange brown to color the whole pineapple, and then we used a darker brown for the texture.
Then we used a dark green for the hair.
Yeah, and a light brown for the map, darker brown for the foot and the arm.
Then a light and dark gray for the hook and the peg.
Also used a light gray for the shadow, but you could add even more details like a background. Maybe your pineapple is on a pineapple pirate ship.
Oh yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing pineapple pirates.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.